టుడే నిర్మల కవితా సాగరం ధారావాహిక 4th బుక్ ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ పార్టీ పోయం. ఓ ఉమన్, ఓ మహిళ అని చెప్పి రాసిన పెద్ద టాపిక్ ఇది. ఓ ఉమన్, యాజ్ లైక్ చైల్డ్ యూ గేవ్ మోర్ హ్యాపీ టు పేరెంట్స్. యూ ప్లేడ్ ఆన్ ఫాదర్ షోల్డర్స్ అండ్ మదర్ హ్యాండ్స్. As a sister, you gave chance to brothers, played with you games, and some played mind games. You can give a good lesson to them. Oh woman, is a surprising picture you are. Her mind and thoughts, actions, words, no one can guess easily. As wife, she gave more to men, but some disrespected cheaters lost wife through divorces. As single living women also most powerful to show their inner talents. She influences more in family and society also. No one can decrease her position illiterate or educated. More depends on women helps in many ways. They can show other side of coin. If they are universal powerful. Only uses women good, if men intelligent. Woman courage herself more faced all health and losses. Also in duty works. Woman, oh woman, naturally need smooth, good respect first. She can behave housewife and employ job holder also. In any time, no woman can tolerate disrespected words, actions and insults. If she educated or illiterate, no woman can fail. In some times, women are enemies to women is a proverb. We cannot guess. Men are enemies to women. Men encourages disputes, spread disputes woman to woman is a main point. If not true, all women livings. If any woman many times may not feminist, but do not behave as sadist to destroy others' development and houses also. In increasing family and society, values must to obey all. Next, but no woman cannot forget without money. No one can receive or achieve her goals. Oh woman, you are smooth, flourish, not foolish, flourish. You are smooth, flourish nature. Other side, mountain type, strong mind power, woman or some are living. If get insults, చెప్పేసాం. To give a good analysis of modern and old woman is more differences. Modern woman can have more facilities than old parents' time also. Old parents, some are compromised, some are not compromised to youth. Old traditions, senior citizens cannot follow modern women or men cannot compromise old traditions. Some are follows old traditions of part only and difficulties also. So family system suffers more. Oh woman, main duties of all is to change ourselves and do not go families to courts. Marriage system fails, causes old modern disputes, women and men also. Money are one and cannot live to everyone or any families also. Thanks. Money cannot give all. Thanks. This is a poem. Money is one part to use all our satisfied needs, but cannot buy our some needs. Thanks.